at the Texas ACG Capital Connection, and we have John Sloan and David Lonsdale of Allegiance Capital Corporation. Now, you're about to start the deal source portion of what's been a very busy day. Tell us a little bit about what's coming up.
Sure. This is a time when private equity firms schedule a private one-on-one meeting with us. And they're looking to learn more about the companies we represent for sale. Even more importantly, learning about the companies that we know about that are not officially for sale yet. So it's a great time to renew old acquaintances, meet new people, learn about what their interest is, and be able to market our products to them.
As you're seeing people show interest in these discussions, are you seeing a higher level of activity this year as in years past?
We are. Obviously, there's a lot of private equity groups right here, and they're looking at Allegiance Capital for one thing. They know we can create deal flow. And frankly, when you look at a company like Allegiance Capital, although we call ourselves a private investment bank, we're really a marketing machine that just happens to be a private investment bank. So, as we see increased deal flow and we're reaching back out to the private equity groups, we're seeing a tremendous level of interest from those private equity groups in what we're presenting to them.
And how much interest have you seen just today? How successful has this event been so far?
Well, very successful. And in addition to the private equity groups who are here, there are a number of lenders here of all varieties, banks, mezzanine funds, and so forth. And that credit market has really opened up a lot in the last 6 months. So one of the challenges a year ago was the unavailability of credit. Today, lenders are very competitive in terms of what they're willing to lend into transactions like ours.
So tell us briefly, what do you foresee? We're a little bit more than halfway through with today's events. What do you foresee for the rest of the day?
I think the rest of the day people are starting to wrap up a little bit, sort of take stock of everything they've learned. We have heard a very common theme throughout the day, which has been, although 2010 was a quiet year, we're starting to see some real increase in deal flow in 2011. I think really between now and the end of the day, we're just going to see people pulling their thoughts together and working their way to the Texas Beer Bash.
So be ready for action, and it's not going to slow down from here, pretty much. Thank you so much.